for the opportunity to present the public petition number 82 of 2023 regarding the delay in the completion of Jitoni Rabai Road in Jomvu Ward, Jomvu Sub-County. I, the undersigned, on behalf of the residents of Jitoni in Jomvu constituency, draw the attention of the House to the following, Madam Speaker. That one, the Jitoni Rabai Road was launched by the then Deputy President, who is now our current President, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, on March 16, 2018. And it was meant to link the interior parts of Jomvu constituency to Rabai constituency without having to drive to Mazeras. That, Madam Speaker, the road was part of the old Mombasa-Nairobi road and links the interior parts of Jomvu to areas like Mazeras and Rabai, thereby complementing the main Mombasa-Nairobi highway. That, Madam Speaker, out of the 12 kilometers, the contractor made substantial progress and completed construction of the first 9 kilometers on Rabai side, after which the contractor abandoned the site without completing the remaining 3 kilometers on Jomvu side, despite residents demolishing their houses and businesses to pave way for the construction of the said road. Madam Speaker, the remaining section of the road is dilapidated, exposing residents to extremely dusty conditions when it is dry, and impassable due to mud accumulated during rainy weather. Transport costs, Madam Speaker, incurred by residents have tremendously increased due to high maintenance costs on vehicles and motorcycles passed on to users by service providers. Madam Speaker, access to water has been curtailed through destructions of pipes during construction of the road, which cannot be fixed until conclusion of the road construction. This has forced residents to incur exorbitant charges in accessing the basic commodity through purchase of water from water boozers. Madam Speaker, efforts by the petitioners to have the matter addressed by the Kenya Urban Roads Authority under Director General Kinoti have been futile, and that the matter presented in this petition is not pending before any tribunal, court of law, or independent body. Therefore, Madam Speaker, your humble petitioners pray that the National Assembly, through the Public Petitions Committee, 1, compels the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, KURA, to complete construction of the road as per the contractual agreement within the next 6 months. And 2, Madam Speaker, makes any other recommendation or action it deems fit in addressing the plight of the petitioners. And your petitioners will ever pray. Presented by me, Honorable Badi. Thank you, Madam Speaker.